Hey guys, this is Scott with Everyday Home Repairs. What we're going to do is a quick maintenance item on a 2015 Hyundai Sonata, and that is the engine air filter. If you did this at a dealership, this is usually going to cost you anywhere from $40 to $50. If you do it yourself, it's going to be more like 15 to 20, and this is wildly simple. So on this Hyundai Sonata, and you'll see these on Kias as well, it's kind of a standardized filter. All you got to do here is remove this cover. So you just pull up from the bottom. The cover easily comes off because it's just really held in with a few metal clips there at the bottom. Put that off to the side. Then to remove this engine air filter, you just got to pull down the two locking tabs and then pull on that center section. You'll be able to remove that from the air box. Okay, so this is the dirty side. You can see kind of leaves and bugs and grime. The recommendation from Hyundai is every 30,000 miles. Because it's so easy to remove, you might as well do it probably every 10 or 15, at least check it and see if you need to swap it out. The one I picked up was from AutoZone. You can see the part number here. And this one cost me 20 bucks. You can get it cheaper online. I'll show you a few links in the description. Now there is a little difference with this one. This one's gonna have these plastic, they're like little plastic pieces that are basically pressed down to hold the filter in place. Remember, that is the difference between this locking tab that would rotate and then hold that in place. So it's a little different design, but it will work just the same. And then what you want to do is make sure this tab is towards the front. So all you got to do is fit that back into the air box, and then just press that, make sure it gets a secure fit. Again, those plastic tabs are going to press down and make sure it's a firm fit, and then just line up the top part, press it down, and that is it. It literally takes you 45 seconds to a minute to swap this out, and you're going to save $20 to $25 on this repair. Thanks for joining.